Welcome to Pydle Day 81. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. It's similar to games like Wordle, but with a coding twist. Today's Pydle is a rake. It continues a gardening theme. We had a couple of days ago we had a spade. So it was going to be very similar. The handles are the same. If you want some hints, just watch the previous video. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, or if you just want to watch some code appear on the screen. Okay, so the bow and arrow. We're going to use Cartesian coordinates for the y because there's symmetry. Say well, for y in range -2, 3, for x in range 5. We don't need Cartesian coordinates, and it's actually going to be quite convenient in drawing the string. But well, I say that, but we don't actually need to draw the string because it's black, and default background color for Pydle is black. But first, let's draw the wooden bow part. So we've got 2 bits there. So when y equals 1, no, when x equals 3, yeah, that's it. X equals 3 and absolute value of y equals 2. So if x equals 3, absolute value of y equals 2, then we're going to need to draw brown pixels, or x equals to 4. So that's that bit, and absolute value of y less than 2. So it's going to be 0 plus 1 and -1, so the absolute value just needs to be less than 2. I'm going to do Pydle x and then 2 minus y to convert back to Pydle coordinates, no character, and brown. Okay, there's the brown bit. So now for the whites. So else if so I said before the x, just normal Pydle coordinates, is going to come in handy. So what we have is that pixel over there, it's x equals 0 and y equals 0. And then the equation for the black pixels is actually that one is y equals x, and this one is y equals minus x. So if we want to draw the white background, all you need to do is exclude pixels where x equals absolute value of y. So I'm going to say else if absolute value of y not equals to x. So that's just going to exclude the 2 black kind of diagonals. And then we can do white. Okay. So what do you need to do for the arrow bit? Let's just define a sequence. So it's going to create a tuple. First one's blank because we can actually conveniently use x. So x0, there's no character, and then 1, 2, 3. I mean, we could have done something different on the index, but this is just going to be easy. So now we can say arrow x if y equals 0, else nothing. Okay, let's see if that worked. Okay, and that solves the Pydle for yesterday. Have a go at today's Pydle, and I will see you again tomorrow.